This is how to find out if your phone is factory locked. First, go to Google, type in IMEI check. I use this website right here called IMEIcheck.com. It gives you the most information for free. It is ad supported. We see an ad right here, an ad down here. Just scroll down past those, and we have a field here where we have to enter a 15-digit number called the IMEI. This number is in the settings on your phone. So let's pop into the settings. Go to the main settings page, scroll down until you see General, then tap on About, then scroll down until you see IMEI. There's the number right there. Tap and hold, and then copy. Remember the last 2 digits because they're going to get cut off in the search field. In my case, they're 6 and 7. Paste that number in here. As you can see, the 6 and the 7 were cut off. Let's remove these 2 spaces. If we don't remove the spaces, we won't be able to add the 2 more digits. And then tap back to go to the end, and then type in 6, 7, and check IMEI. Right here you can see that the SIM lock is labeled as unlocked, which means this phone is not locked to a carrier, and you can take this phone to any carrier you want, sign up for a cell phone plan, and then begin using it as you see fit. This video right here shows you how to remove ads on your phone. For example, all the ads on the site, they could all be removed. You wouldn't have to worry about them. This video shows you how. So check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.